Ladies and gentlemen, you may sit here, please.
The guys around the table,